Unpack the fender flares and remove the protective film. Remove the OE flares by turning all 5 handles counterclockwise. Starting with the forwardmost flare, pull directly outward to unseat the clip. Set aside the factory clips. If you choose to install with a quick removal option, save the turn handles for later use. The OE fender flares lack any rubber gaskets, which could make the paint scratch over time. APG fender flares come equipped with rubber gaskets to preserve the paint on the wheel wells. Pre-insert the provided push pins onto the fender flare. Orientate the clips to the existing holes. While holding the flare in place, push all 5 pins in to secure. Use the 5 OEM turn handles that were set aside. Turn clockwise to lock. Now, if you would like a more stronger and permanent installation, use the provided 6mm riv nuts and body bolts. Drill out the factory clip holes using a 25/64 drill bit to accept the riv nuts. You can use your own riv nut tool if you have one, or use the provided tool in the hardware kit. To assemble the tool, place a washer on the long bolt, followed by a long coupler nut, and then one more washer. Finally, thread on the riv nut. Use a 1/2 inch open-ended wrench, hold the long coupler nut and then a 10mm wrench to collapse and secure the riv nut into position. Repeat the process on all 5 positions at each wheel well. While holding the fender flare in position, tighten the body bolts to secure the flare. Use caution not to over-tighten the bolts.